May I please, Lordship? Taking position from the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19. As for the day, my lord.
18 and 19.
18 and 19. It will be fixed after vacation.
What is the position, Sharma? Here we have received any case diary and all? 19 you have received. It's not updated one.
Updated, Lordship.
And 18th?
Both needs to be updated, Lordship.
Pardon? Not updated.
Not updated, Lordship.
But 17 and 18 are connected, I think.
Yes, 18 and 19 are, 17 and 18 are connected.
So in 17 and 18, you have received the case diary,
Yes, that, but not received.
but not updated. But not updated or what?
Not updated, Lordship.
Not updated. So in 17, you are for 18, na? You are for 18 and 19.
Lordship, I am appearing 17 and 18.
18 and 19, madam.
You are for 17 and 18. Are you on interim there?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, then updated to you are MS Decca, na?
Yes, okay.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Leland Senior Advocate. Whose to it is submitted by Mr. Sharma, the learned additional BP, that's case diary received. That same is not updated. And accordingly paid to call for the updated one. Return the case diary, directing the IO to furnish updated case diary. It will the petitioners, the list, when it can be listed there?
24/7.
24/7, list according to the matters, 24/7. 24/7 করে দিব and interim be continued till next date of listing.
I think 19, madam. Same to you.
You are on 19
19. We have D Bora.
on behalf of Mr. D. Bora. Your name is also there, I think.
Oh, in my case. Well, interim is there.
Interim is there.
Same date.
Same date corridor, same order of Mr. N. Mahajan Asan. 24/7.
The interim will continue.
Interim be continued till next date of listing.
Obliged.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. Kindly pass over for the day, Lordship.
11. Okay, the request made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. It will be listed after vacation only. List accordingly after vacation. Oh.
Motion, item number 1.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship is an NDPS matter, lordship. The petitioner was arrested on 6th February, and as on date, lordship, 140 days have been passed. He is still on custody. Lordship,
140 days.
140 days. Lordship, it is alleged by the prosecution that some commercial quantity ganja was recovered, lordship. Lordship, let that case diary may be called for. Lordship, one co-accused was also, this bail application has, one co-accused had filed. The matter was listed on 17th July. Lordship, this matter,
17th July.
Lordship, this matter may also be
Can you tell us the bail number? BA number?
2078 2020.
2078 2025. It will go tech list along with 2078 2025 177. We are listing it on 177.
Lordship,
Case diary call along with the FSL report.
deeply applied. Lordship.
Item number 2.
This is a Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, we have filed this bail application praying for granting bail to the petitioner who is in jail since 2025, that is for 38 days.
2020.
205, Lordship. In connection with SCPS case 3025, based under section 7A of the PC Act, Lordship. Lordship, it has been rejected before the special judge.
By the special judge.
By the special judge, Lordship.
Have we annexed the order here?
Lordship, may kindly peruse annexer 8, which is at page number 49, Lordship.
49.
Lordship, the investigation is completed and the voice sample has also been collected from the accused as well as the co-accused, Lordship.
You will find the operative portion at page 51. Findings of the court, Lordship. First paragraph itself, Lordship. The city will be required, Lordship.
And Lordship, we are taking the ground that the wife of the petitioner is expecting delivery on 20th of July, and doctor has advised that he may be admitted next week, Lordship. So on that.
No, see, this is the case of the corruption matter is there. One rejected order is also there. Whether the charge sheet has been already laid, no, not yet charge sheet. Maybe as we have submitted that the investigation may be there
Yes.
sufficient progress may be there in the investigation, and as per you, the voice sample has already been collected.
Collected by the FSL.
But
Lordship.
without perusal of the case, it may not be at all possible.
Lordship.
So obviously, it will be after vacation.
During the ensuing vacation and vacational court, can it be listed on?
No, we are not going to keep anything because there will be some motions matters only
Also.
in the vacation code, and vacation code is also only 2 days only. We don't have any.
Reopening.
And
of
we
the
are
vacation.
reopening day. I cannot say 14th. It may or may not reach also. So let it be on 15 or 16th.
15. Lordship.
15.
15 March.
City call quotable list on 15. Immediately after vacation, we are listing it.
I'm obliged, Lordship.
We,
let's say POXO matter notice may be issued.
It's a POXO.
Yes, ma'am.
Since when it is a custody, he is in custody.
Yes, my lord.
No, sorry, he not custody. But it is not a charge sheeted one. Na?
No,
Yeah, Lordship.
Yes.
Investigation is going on.
Investigation. Since when he is in custody?
14/5/2025.
14/5. You are Mr. K. Kalita. Heard Mr. K. Kalita, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Akiman Nalini issue notice to respondent number 2 through jurisdictional police station routed to the office of the registry and the public prosecutor. Full stop. No formal notice is required to be served on state respondent number 1. However, a copy of the petition may be served during the course of the day. Full stop. Also call for the case diary. List, yes, Sharma,
Lordship, let it be on 17.
submitted. List on 17/7. You take steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Office will be reopening, or the office will be there, so you can take steps.
Yes.
tempo,
It's a regular bail application, my lord, 483 of the BNSS, my lord.
Hmm.
Yeah, my lord, accused person before Lordship, my lord, he is in custody from 17/6, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, here, prima facie, my lord, so far the FIR of the instant case goes, my lord. Defamatory post, my lord, in the Facebook, my lord. Case 10 is the FIR, my lord.
Page 10.
Page 10. My lord, 3 sections they have attributed, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, 296B, my lord, that obscene words, songs, my lord, that is bailable, my lord. And 67 of the IT Act, my lord, it is bailable because first offense, my lord, 3 years.
Hmm.
And as per 77B of the IT Act, my lord, it is bailable. Only non-bailable section is 3082, my lord.
Hmm.
And only whether that offense has been made out or not. Possibly it has not been made out, my lord. Because
What is the section 308 is?
that is extortion, my lord.
Extortion.
Because here, my lord, the extortion, my lord, offense of extortion, possibly it is not completed, my lord. Because he says, my lord, he might demand money. And my lord, the section which may be attributed, my lord, that may be, my lord, 3083, my lord, attempt, my lord, that is bailable, my lord. Only thing whether his detention further is necessary, if you also kindly have a look at the FIR, my lord. And may I read, my lord? Or-
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I beg to inform you through this affair that one youth, namely so-and-so, has been maintaining a Facebook account in the name of Sonu Alex. And through the said Facebook account, he posted a Facebook post from his mobile against me and my wife, namely so-and-so, by using obscene words. In the said Facebook, Monirul Islam mentioned a mobile number bearing so-and-so for communication. And after coming to know about the same, when I contacted the said mobile, one person, namely so-and-so, had informed me that on earlier occasion also, Monirul Islam posted Facebook posts against several persons in such a manner and collected money by blackmailing them. And he posted the Facebook post against me and my wife, namely so-and-so, with such type of options word with such intention by planning to blackmail and demand money from me. Later on, I came to know that the said Monirul is also involved with drug business in different area of Hajo, so and so. He is not Monirul, my lord, but the phone, my lord, IME number, my lord, which connected with that Facebook, my lord. From Facebook authority, it came to light that the present accused, my lord, he was using a mobile phone from the same IME number, my lord. So regarding that offense possibly is complete. But my lord, here, my lord, the extortion, no extortion, my lord. And my lord, he have given another post, my lord. That is little, my lord. I'm not, my lord, I'm just showing it to your lordship, my lord. Regarding that post, already he has been shown arrested in a different case, my lord. And so, my lord, even if it is offensive, my lord, so far the other post is concerned, my lord, that he has been shown arrested, my lord. I'm just showing your lordship that line, my lord. To be fair, on page 16, my lord. Para 3, my lord.
Oh, acha.
So regarding this post, my lord, lordship, can kindly have a look at the, my lord, page 24, my lord. Regarding that post, my lord, that lordship find, my lord,
Shown
is
arrest was there.
shown
Why
arrest.
shown arrest? He was earlier in another matter, he was in custody, I think.
Present case, my lord, it was.
Oh, acha.
until-
In present case, he was in custody
He
during
was
that period.
arrested.
Yes.
Then he was
Shown arrest.
yes.
Acha, acha. Shown
So-
arrest on when?
Shown arrested on, my lord, in that case, my lord,
Same day or what? 17?
on 19/6, my lord.
19/6.
And regarding that post, definitely, my lord, some ingredients are there, my lord. Although that did not lead to any disharmony, my lord. I'm not on that, my lord. Only thing, my lord, whether in the present case his detention is required or not.
Yes, sure.
And my lord, there is no 35(3) notice also. I'm not going into that. Considering the allegation narrated in the FIR, my lord, and the forwarding report, no offense, no non-law offense has been made out, my lord. Only that, my lord.
It is too early to submit, lordship, whether any offense has been made out or not. Lordship, let the city come, lordship, extortion is there. It is not.
CDB call. When it can be fixed, Sham?
The opinion is fine.
Let it be on 18, lordship.
18?
Well, can it be little quick on, it will 14, it will open, well, 15 or 16? 16, 15 or 16,
Take,
my lord.
lordship, already. That
Matters have been fixed, I think.
2 days will be very hectic, lordship.
Well, for Hajo only, my lord.
No,
On
whatever, but 14, 15, 16, many matters have been, I think.
16 if possible.
At best,
No, 2 days here.
16 or 17 can be? 16, you want 16? Okay, then 16, well, 16.
Obliging. In that case, it will be 1 month also in custody. Obliging.
You're fired.
5 is not there. None appears on call for the POXO. None appears on call for the petitioner. List the matter accordingly after vacation.
Item
Yes.
6,
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
PRS bill application, okay. So basically, the main allegation is regarding promise to marry, lordship. But some allegation has been brought, lordship, the FIR on page 11. Basically, case of promise to marry.
Yes.
City will be required, lordship. Children law should be possible because the girl is not a minor law. She is above 18. Some law protection till the city come law, the vacation is also there, law, it will be too long. Because it is known to them, lordship, regarding that, not only married that part, lordship, otherwise he is a married person and all, she knows, lordship. And regarding that, video and all that, this is to make an allegation to the FIR, lordship.
Whether those, anything, your mobile handset, etc. were seized? No.
Nothing else. Regarding uploading and all, Yes, nothing has been happened. I'll surrender my mobile and all, Lordship, if Lordship give me.
That's by that time whether it has been deleted.
No, deleted also, Lord, that will be in, they
Yes,
can detect
obviously
it,
that
Lordship,
that can be
from the,
detected.
I am a mobile, Lordship. That will be detected. Even it is deleted, Lordship, it can be detected. Lord. Kindly,
Sure.
Lordship,
In a way, he is admitting that those are uploaded also. In the FI also, we kindly see last paragraph also. Already it has been uploaded option photos and
No,
videos.
that allegation is there, no question to the allegation is
Yes,
safe,
let us
but
see the
I have
video.
not uploaded, because vacancy is there, so I am playing for Interim. I'll surrender, Lordship, I'll give everything, Lordship, mobile and everything, Lordship. Otherwise, she is a major girl and she knows that I am a married person, Lordship, and everything that first part is admitted, Lordship, regarding introduction in Facebook and all, Lordship. She visited my house also, Lord.
What you will see only specific line, also be it mentioned here in the accused person has also created 2 more profile
Yeah.
in Facebook in the name of Sodhuri, and from the site to IDs he has uploaded now
No.
obscene photos and videos in social networking site.
That remain, Lordship, everything that will be detected with the mobile EMI and all, everything, Lordship. If once I surrender my mobile, Lordship, everything will be detected, Lordship. If some allegation is there, definitely it will come in the case diary. At that time, I cannot escape, Lordship. Bail will be rejected. This all, IT Act has been, Lordship, that all everything will be detected, Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Moni, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional BP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Next right is submitted by Mr. Moni, the counsel for the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the present accused petitioner is in this. And the victim is also a major girl. And they known to each other through Facebook and had developed some relationship, but apart from that, there was no such offense committed by the accused petitioner. However, he is ready and willing to cooperate the IU in further investigation of this case, and also to ready to hand over all this his mobile handset and other particulars which may be required for the purpose of investigation, if he is provided with some interim protection. Next one, Mr. Sharma, the learned additional BP submitted in this regard that from the contents of the FI itself, it is seen that some obscene photos and videos were already uploaded. So obscene photos and videos of the victim have already been uploaded by the accused petitioner, and accordingly he insisted to call for the case diary to know the actual fact of the case. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, materials in the record, I find it a fit case correctly. Okay, will be extended with interim protection. So, when it can be called for?
21st July.
21st June.
Much obliged, Your Lord. Much obliged.
Item 7,
Even also charge sheeted case notice and scan copy may be sent also. POCSO case.
Charge sheeted.
Charge sheeted matter.
You are showing as an absconded there?
Yes, matter may be taken after vacation, Lordship, due to
After
some
vacation.
difficulties.
At the request made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, place the matter after vacation. Okay.
8,
It looks like POCSO matter notice to be issued.
Thank you very much.
It's a POCSO.
My lord, on this section 8 is this.
POCSO was heard your Mr. E.
Aaron.
A. Rahman, sorry. Heard Mr. A. Rahman, the learned counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PT, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Back in this is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Issue notice to the respond number 2 through jurisdictional police station routed to the office of the registry and the public prosecutor. No, there is
The court, Lordship, and it was filed. Thereafter, it was Lordship. The court, Lordship, and it was filed. Thereafter, it was Lordship fixed on 26/9/2024 for necessary order. Page 29, your Lordship will find. 2.69. And thereafter, Lordship, in between, he filed a put-up petition at page 30, your Lordship will find. And cognizance was taken under section 138 of Municipal Instrument Act A.
Just a second. The case was fixed on 26/9.
26/9.
And then put up petition
Put-up
was,
petition was filed, so cognizance was taken. And
put up petition was filed on when?
on 2/8/2024, page 30, your Lordship will find top portion date.
Just here put up today.
Yes. Then page 31, Lordship may see.
And cognizance was taken only that day only?
Only that day, 2/8/24.
Yes.
Page
Then?
31, your Lordship will find on that day, he filed that complainant is present on 26/9/24. Complainant is present, accused is absent with steps which is allowed. And matter was fixed on 13/12/24. On next day, your Lordship will find that 13/12/24, complainant is present, accused is absent without any steps, issue NBW against him, complaint to. So on one day, failure on one day, the NBW was issued against him, Lordship. And no bailable warrant was issued against him prior to issuing NBWA. And it is not a case that it was pending since long. That is also not a case, without assigning any reason that NBW was issued. So at this stage, my prayer is that he is willing to face the trial, Lordship, and therefore, Lordship, that protection may be given, he will approach there. Now, regarding that, whether after issuance of NBWA, bail can be granted or not, that your Lordship. That Supreme Court judgment, your Lordship will find Asa Dubey case, that is all, of course, related to that proclaimed offender, against proclaimed offender.
This is for proclaim offender.
Proclaimed offender. Even then, there was an observation at paragraph 8, your Lordship will find. Even there is also no bar, specific bar, that is observed. And another judgment of our High Court, I have given that, Lordship, there also NBW was issued and he was protected for appearance before the court, Lordship.
Yes, Sharma, anything to substitute? Oh, state is a formal here?
This is NIX.
Aha, yes. Heard Mr. A. Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petition. This is an application, the section so and so in connection with so and so. Next, it is submitted by Mr. Ahmed that is a NI case proceeding is pending before the learned SDGM S2 Kamrup Metro, wherein the cognizance of the offense was taken on 2/8/2024, and the summons were accordingly issued to him. On poster on 26/9/2024, the accused petitioner remained absent with stay, which was allowed, and the next date was fixed on 13/12/2024 for appearance. But on 13/12/2024, the accused petitioner could not appear before the learned trial court below, and for 1 day, and for his one and for default of a 1 day, the NBW was issued against him. Poster. Without assigning any reason, in the order dated 13/12/2024. However, the present petitioner is ready and willing to appear before the learned trial court below and to contest the case accordingly, if he is provided with some kind of interim protection. Next paragraph. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, I have also produced the case record and especially the order sheets annexed along with the petition. Considering the above facts and circumstances of this case, I find it fit case to I find that the petitioner may be. Well, accordingly, I had directed the petitioner to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, and till his appearance, till Within how, when it was fixed now, next date?
Now next date is 21/8/2025.
So 15 days within you can appear
Lordship.
from, within 15 days from the date of order. Until then, the execution of NPWA issued against the present petitioner be suspended. With the above observation, they be stand disposed of. Okay.
Till then, he may be granted bail, Lordship. Our
Yeah,
court
we are
order.
complying with interim protection. NPWA will not be executed, appear and see, let us see what happens.
Oh, no.
Disposed of.
Yeah. That section.
Yes.
Box Act is there, Lordship.
Boxer is there.
Yes.
Heard Mr. M. Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. Pakiliho issue notice to the respondent number 2 to the additional police station, routed to the office of the registry and the public prosecutor. Stop. No formal notice is required to be served. He is also there. Why?
We actually came to know that this section 50, I mean the 47 of this BNSSS was not made up. So we took out a certified copy, then we filed it. That's all.
So through I, you have filed your certified copies.
Yes, I filed. Lordship, this is a matter of regular bail, the 483 under section 821 and 29 of NDPS. Yes. Here, I am in jail in for 383 days.
How many?
383, 1 year, 18 days. 1 year. I was arrested at the state of Agartala actually. Now, what happened is that, Your Honor, this bail petition was originally made for 2 accused. This bail application was made for originally for 2-1. I am for number 1, Amit Kope. The accused number 2 has filed one different bail application, White 2427/24 at that time only, stating that he had a blood cancer disease and he was also given interim bail at that time.
Not under this petition,
Not
but
under
separate
the
petition.
1-1. His bail application was 2427/24.
2427/24.
And unfortunately, he expired day before yesterday at a hospital. What I came to learn, he expired. Now,
So now this petition is only for
accused number 1 is Amit Gop. Now, what happened is that how I came to this in jail actually. The thing is that on 30/5/2024. A raid was done at a DP warehouse at Guwahati. I am from Tripura. Your Lordship, if you can turn to page number 14, there is one Caesar memo in there.
14.
14. Lordship, what happened is that on 29/5 actually, intervening night actually. So this Panchnama was made on 35 actually it was made on some 12:30 or so.
Raid was at
Raid was at DP warehouse, Godchuk, Guwahati. Now what happened? They found out 1,200 bottles of Ascuf codeine based cough syrup over there. It was packed in this thing. So with the information, they had raided it and they have got this 1,200 bottles of cough syrup. Now the thing is that this consignment was made, the consignee and the consignor are the same. It is in page number 16. The consignor and the consignee was Mandeep Chandra Ray. He booked it in
you are not neither the consignee
neither the consignor nor the consignee. I'm neither of them. Now it was booked in Kolkata office. I mean from there actually. So it was booked. The consignment was booked at Kolkata office to Agartala. So when it reached the DP warehouse of the same company at Godso, it was raided and the material came into the picture. Now my co-accused who recently expired actually, his mobile number was given to collect the said thing. Now, what happened is actually on 7/6, on 7th of June 2024, me, Amit Gope, along with the co-accused who recently expired and two other persons were asked to go to the DP warehouse to collect one consignment. I had no idea what I was doing because that particular who had called is Mr. Suman Biswas. And he is the very great leader of the ruling party in the state of Tripura. Now, the thing is that till 7th of June, I was the driver. I was the driver driving the in the government of Tripura Law Department in court, CGM. I was the driver, and I have got one certificate that for the last 1 year I was driving this vehicle. I used to drive the magistrate or the judge. I used to keep it in the court, and for 6 or 7 hours I am free. So in that duration, this
Driver of CGM.
driver of additional LR and additional secretary law, government of Tripura, Mr. Ashish Devnath. On 27/2/2025, this is to certify that Sri Amit Gop, son of person, has a driving experience for a period of 1 year with effect from 9th of June 2023 to till 7th of June. 7th of June till I went to the DP warehouse. That day also I was driving, and I came back that day from DP warehouse also. I dropped my sir or judge whatsoever. Now, on the 7th, actually, on that particular date, the NDPS persons met us because we were inquiring, then they were met us. We were 4 actually. Now, the thing is that, page number 21, they asked us to come on the 2nd day, means on 8th, to the NDPS office. They said, this is the statement which you have to give. You come to the NDPS office on the 2nd day, that is 8. So we went home, and I voluntarily came, and we all the 4 voluntarily came to the NDPS office, Agartala. It is in page number 21. 21. On dated 7/6/2024, the very first para, a follow-up action was conducted by NCB team at DP Warehouse Express Logistics Private Limited, Agartala, Tripura. And in the same follow-up mentioned Amit Gop, then Hari Charan Biswas, who expired actually, and Sri Sushanta Odhikari and Sri Prasanjit Saha were spotted and intercepted by NCP team while they came to the said courier center to receive the said consignment parcel of the cough syrup. Further notice of 67 of NDPS 85 were served to all the above suspected persons with so and so, and all the above suspected persons appear before the undersigned on 7/6, and on the next they went to the same day, my lord. I'm sorry. Only thing is that the next paragraph, in the voluntary statement recorded under 67 of NDPS Act, the Amit Gope and so on accepted that they were sent by Suman Biswas of Gandigram, Agartala to collect this cough syrup consignment, and he promised to give 10,000 each. That is the only statement which he has been nailed for till now. Now, this matter also actually, since he was just there actually, there is a apex court in Bharat Chaudhary case. Your Lordship, the 7 number page actually, last actually, 14 number, para 7. In the absence of any psychopathic substances found in the conscious possession of A4 means that over, we are of the opinion that mere reliance on the statement made by A1 to A3 under section 67 of the NDPS Act is too tenuous a ground to sustain the impugn order or sustenance. They had nothing with them. Now, what happened is when he was shown arrested, he approached the Tripura court, and in page number in between that time actually he appeared for bail on 11/6. On 10/6 actually his house was thoroughly searched. And in page number 38 also in here actually in the letter of the NCB, it has been written is that during the hard search, no contraband or NDPS or any other objection item was recovered from his house. Nothing. And no trail of any amount in banks also has been found of him. And here this thing is they have also mentioned in the objection also ki after search there was nothing found in his house. Now now when they had appealed for the bail actually on the 27th, actually they had appeared before the Chief Judicial Magistrate West Tripura Agartala, which is from page number 25. The bail order is here. There also the bail order actually in page number 27 we have taken the concept that learned defense counsel on page number 27. Learned defense counsel also submits that the reason for ground of arrest in writing was not communicated to the accused person, and as such there is a clear violation of constitution. That what we have said. Now in page number 31, in the third paragraph, this court finds that there is a case under NDPS Act. Generally, this court has no jurisdiction to grant bail except for the reasons given under section 37 of NDPS Act. Next. But in this case, this court finds that the contraband were not seized from the possession of the accused persons, and thus they were merely acting under the instruction of one Mr. Suman Biswas when they went to collect the consignment at Agartala. Now,
So what happened? You were not granted bail.
we were granted bail. We were in bail also. We were in bail. In page number page number 34, we were granted bail. In page number 32, so this court finds that in this case, from the material produced by the NCB, there is nothing to primarily show that reasonable case is found against them. And in last, as no case is registered before the special court at Guwahati, so they shall appear. The word appear is of much importance over here. So they shall appear before the court on land CMM before wherein the case number such and such is pending. The word appear, I want to like a stress on it. They were given bail. They were at that time in bail only of 1 lakh rupees each. Now what happened after this? Since they were asked by the court to come, next they came to Guwahati at page number 34. In the in before Smithy as Honikor AGS officer. Now the second line is that the accused persons is so and so have appeared before me as per the order of land CGM West Tripura Agartala in case number so and so dated so and so. They both are direct to appear before the court of the land CGM Kamrup Metro on the very next day. They came single-handedly, they attended the court, then next they were asked to go to the CGM. They went to the CGM on when page number 35, then which the CGM again sent back to the special judge actually, which is in page number 41. Now here the problem starts. Page number 41. Accused Amit Gope and Hari Charan Biswas have surrendered before this court. The word appeared came here surrendered. Before this court, as per the direction of the this earned, but this is learned actually, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Now they Now, the thing is that why they were shown arrested actually, this NCB had written on page number 36 to the district and session judge over here, what happened actually, everything. And in the end of the letter on page number 40, one line was written by handwriting. It might be an afterthought. One line in page number 14, handwriting. If the accused person appears as per the order of the land CGM Agatha Tripura may be sent to judicial custody. This was the crucial line. Now these two fellows did not know. They came here and in the same order actually in page number 44, page number 44 in para number 10, considering the matter in its entirety, the court is of the view that the accused person be sent to the judicial custody. It may be mentioned herein, although the accused person has appeared before this court, no bail application was filed by them. They did not knew that they have to file any bail application over there because they thought they were already in bail from the CGM Tripura. However, they are at liberty to file such application as and when deemed fit and so on. Now, from that onwards, this person is in jail, right, till right now.
So why didn't you file any bail application?
Bill, for this one.
No. Why didn't you file any bail application before the learned special judge?
We directly came here. We had directly came at that time.
Why?
No, we had not filed. We had directly came here, and
No,
at
there
that
was a
time,
clear direction from the court itself, from the special judge, that you are at liberty to file a bail application because
Bail
on the
application.
basis of that you were sent to judicial custody.
yes,
But thereafter you remained silent and did not file any bail application.
there we had not filed on that day.
On that
So-
day,
so
it's separate thing. Thereafter,
Yes, we were at liberty to file.
yes.
So we are at liberty to file. So we had chosen the High Court of Appeal.
Why? There's no order. You have skipped one forum then. You have already skipped one forum. You directly approached the High Court. Why?
Because
Because there was a clear order from the special judge itself that you were at liberty, you can file.
liberty
Liberty to file a bail application.
file the bill.
Yes, bail application.
But here, Your Honor, with my limited knowledge, actually, we can choose High Court also. Because we
You
had
can
filed
choose High Court, but you have left one forum, no? There's
If-
been earlier notification was also there.
if
Yes.
your Lord if your Honor says so, I will agree. But after this thing actually, when everything was not there, I could like to continue my thing actually. They had filed the objection also. In this one, objection.
Don't make so lengthy submission. We don't have time. Yes.
No, if you
Objection.
just I
Or
would
we
like
have
to
already
state
filed
one thing.
objection.
Objection if it is 97 because the thing is he's from jail from the last 1 year and 8 days. Now in para number 26 that
Number
what
26 of page.
the
Their rejection,
there
their
I will just give you any page number. No.
bail objection. No, we have.
That on page number 26 that there is a bar on section 37 of NDPS Act as the seized quantity is a commercial. Any bail is granted, then there is a possibility the accused may jump the bail considering the gravity of the offense and so. But here, when his father had expired, this honorable court has by IA number criminal 140 of 2025 on 22/2025 had given me interim bail. Here itself. And interim bail, which I was asked to come back on such and such on or before 3/3/2025 and behind the jail, which I had done it before a day. Before a day. I have my
So you are on interim.
no. I was on interim
Huh.
for to perform the shraddh of my
Father.
father actually. So they had given me interim bail to perform the shraddh and to come back and to come back on or before on the 3rd 3/3/2025. So I as per this
Then
order,
what had happened? You are in interim.
I
Whether
was in
thereafter,
interim, then
whether thereafter you have applied for any, your interim has to be absolute, no? So what is the now case?
I just came back, went to the jail.
Ah.
Now I just want to for regular bail application. This bail has been
No,
pending.
no, no. In the application, you are praying for only interim bail.
Only interim bail, nothing only for 12 days. Interim bail was
Where
granted
is
only
the order then?
12 days. The order was only given me. I had applied for 7-8 days.
Here in the same bail application.
Same bill application. Yes, same bill application. It is in 2032. Same bill application.
I at Assam section.
I 140/2025.
So you have surrendered.
Yeah.
And
What I would like to speak to my honor is that as per this order of this court, I have gone, I have performed my whatever I have to do, and I came back. So that this 26 number point that I may jump the bail is not with me actually. This was given from this particular honorable High Court itself.
and you were asked to
Come
surrender.
back on or before.
Surrender.
Yes, on 3rd of March 2025. Monday. I came on Sunday and I went to the jail authorities before that date. Before
So
the
accordingly you surrender.
yes. So there is no provision that I will skip my bail petition over here. Charge sheet was filed in the month of December, and as of now, this
Oh, look.
I'm just appearing the trial from the jail actually, and
So what is the stage of the case at present?
state at present is
Pardon?
Appearance stage lordship.
Appear-
One of the accused is absconder lordship.
Still absconding.
I could like to state one thing apart from this one. This one is of Suman Biswas. He is actively involved in Facebook and everywhere. And when this particular person had went for this search, this particular person also came there to attend the search. How he is not been able to catch or come into the net of this NCB, we don't know. But for him, and this church it actually in page number 47 where it was filed. Further investigation against the following suspects are being continued. That means it is being continued, and right now also it has been continued going and all. 6A suspected Suman Biswas, then Amit Kumar Singh, proprietor of Aditya Enterprise Patna, Bihar, Siva Medicals, Baroda, Gujarat, Raj Ali, the one who had actually posted by a fake. Everything is when no one, the court has or the NCB has been taken the advantage of bringing to court. Only I am stuck up because of this one, which had went there. My employment is there. Everything is there. My father, being a police officer, when I was arrested, he committed suicide. My family, my court might know because my only 2 daughters are there. They are unable to sustain themselves, and here I am in jail of no fault of us. No possession, nothing was found from me. No bank details of the cash. No, nothing of this. Any 1% was also found from my side. And in here, actually, in NDPS, the section 8, which was I came to, it is I does not came in this 8C itself. The 8C itself says prohibition of certain operations. C, produce, manufacture, process, sale, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import, export, import into India. Nothing I does not come into this picture at 8C at all. And if I doesn't come into this picture, all these other sections goes in vain. What I pray to this court is that I will face the trial, everything. I have, as per the court's order, I have came there. As per the CGM's court's order, I had came there while I was in still bail also. So kindly allow me to go on bail.
Okay. Yes.
So I have very small submission, Lordship. It cannot be denied that involvement is not there, Lordship. They were intercepted when they were going to receive the parcel, Lordship. And consignment contained 1200 bottles of cough syrup, Lordship. So, Lordship, sufficient materials are there. Their involvement is there, Lordship. And Lordship, here he was arrested on 8/6/24, Lordship. 8/6/24. Now, presently, Lordship, the case is on appearance test because, Lordship, one of the accused person, Suman Biswas, he was absconded. Court is passing order for issuing summon, Lordship. As per the direction of Suman Biswas, both of them, Harisharan Biswas and Amit Gop, went there to receive the parcel. And Lordship, we have filed our objections. In objection, Lordship, clearly it is their Lordship, CDR Lordship. CDR is their Lordship. Communication, Suman Biswas. CDR is their Lordship. Lordship. 117, number of communication 117, 19 with Amit Gope, Harisharan Biswas. Lordship, sufficient materials are there, Lordship. So he was arrested on Lordship 8/6/24, Lordship.
Lordship, in this, Suman Biswas, Amit Gope, Harisharan, Suman Adhikari, they are all of the same village, same town, every same. They are bound to have the calls. They are bound to have the calls. And this particular person for the last 1 year, before that also I have got all certificates of where he was working. But here he was working as a driver of the in the court of Agartala. Mere my presence at the courier office, because I was there, I could not mere presence there, in a response to a third party request cannot be equated to a heinous crimes. And the thing is, only section 67 says I have accepted, I have worked for 10,000 rupees. These other two people were allowed to go, maybe because they were ruling party workers, because they mentioned it here. That's why I'm saying that.
Allowed to go where?
They had also came, na? They were allowed to go because they were, as per here it says they had no.
They were not called to the NDPS office.
They were called. Here the NDPS itself has been written they are BJP cell IT department guys. I could not like to go into that actual particular, but they said I was not there. Just imagine, Your Honor, I go personally and I say, give me the letter, I will write it. I have taken this thing for a mere 10,000 rupees. I could rest my permission.
No, just tell us from when you visited to the NDPS office, then you approached the CGM Agartala or what had happened?
Yes. I had went there on 7 evening. On 8, I was shown arrested, and on that same day we had filed this bail application also
before CGM.
because and it came on hearing on 11th.
So by these 3 days where you were
there is NCB office.
NCB office.
I was there. So, and apart from this, my lawsuit one IA has been also been filed by us actually.
I number?
IA number is 480. I'm sorry, it says 400 something.
Just
tag with this one only.
Yes, 484.
Yeah.
484.
Yeah, 484. In here. This is the section 50 of the CRPC. Just it is written at, you are hereby informed that you are arrested in connection with the above reference case and the case is non-bailable. So you are forwarded to the court. You may submit petition before the honorable court for the bail. Now in this one, there are so numbers of cases. Your lordship might know this Purkhaista, this Vivan Kumar, and in our particular High Court also, this Vivan Kumar and everything in this Jasiruddin Borbhuya case actually, all has been taken care of. Yes, this will not be of. Okay.
Arrest section 50 Lordship, at the time of his arrest, Lordship, he accepted arrest memo. In arrest memo, Lordship, his signature was there, Lordship. I have a copy,
Signature.
Lordship. Signature was there. He accepted the notice. Now, regarding this, Lordship, I have one judgment, Lordship, where bail was rejected on 26/5/25, Lordship. Here, Lordship, grounds of arrest were not there in section 50, Lordship, but arrest memo was accepted by the petition, Lordship. Bail was rejected, Lordship. I'm, Lordship, submitting the judgment, Lordship.
Lordship, along with this, I am submitting also mine one. Apart from the apex court, I am submitting is Guwahati High Court order itself.
Have we annexed the arrest memo here?
I have a copy, Lordship.
Okay. Okay, I'll see it. চেম্বারে যাবো নোটিফিকেশন দিয়েছে it will be I'll dictate it. দেখাটো
Pardon me, my lord. My lord, item 5 may taken up my head.
Huh?
Item 5, my lord.
Item 5?
Item 5, no 5.
What item 5? None appear.
My lord, I was in another court.
No, sorry.
My lord,
I have already listed it after vacation.
my lord, CD may call for me.
After vacation, listed. Sorry. Start him. 13, you are on 13.
Maybe also. This is the NDPS case. The charge sheet has been already submitted in this case.
Charge sheet
And-
has already been
yes,
submitted.
And
Yeah.
charges were also framed. But in this case, there are 8 witnesses, out of which only 4 are examined till date. And he has been in custody for more for 2 years, 6 months, 28 days.
2 years.
6 months, 28 days.
Mm.
And there are 4 accused. 3 of the co-accused were given bail by this honorable court. I have also annexed those orders here as annexure 3. Also, the thing is that at the time I was not informed about the grounds of arrest was not conveyed to me. I have also stated that in the meantime I've been in jail for more than 2 years, 6 months. And the other accused, co-accused, are given bail in the month of April itself. So if my bail is allowed, I would like to submit some case notes also. On the ground of parity. Yeah. And 2 others of Vivan Kumar and Prabir Kukaste.
Okay.
Well, if my
Also, he is behind the litigation. 2 years, 6 months, 28 days. Out of 8 witnesses, only 3 examined. 4 out of 4 accused
one side
persons, 3 has already been granted bail. Ground of arrest is not being mentioned. And they also prayed for release of the bail on the ground of parity. Yes,
This is the arrest of prior to the Pankaj Bansal lordship.
yes.
So lordship is aware about the judgment lordship in this court of this court lordship.
Arrest is before Pankaj Bansal.
Pankaj Bansal lordship.
So, Lordship,
I do not
I've
know.
been arrested for more than 2 years, 6 months, and 3 of the other accused are already on bail.
there is no chance that I will be absconding or I will disturb the investigation in any manner.
And
So, there's no, so
There is
I
out
will
of-
release on bail. Because the other threes are already on bail and they are appearing before the honorable court, trial court. So I will also do the same if your lordship allows me on bail.
I don't know what on what count those persons are released also.
I have that.
Probably that is on the Vihan Kumar judgment also.
No, not just on Vivan Kumar. It is also because of the prolonged incarceration. I was given bail, not just on Vivan Kumar.
You have annexed notice?
I will enact the orders also here.
Yes, in page.
Yes. Yes. Page number 33, para 18. And also considering the period of incarceration already undergoes by the accused person, that is 2 years, 4 months. That was the person which was there. As well as considering the view expressed by the Honorable Court in the case laws referred to hearing above, the court finds it fit to extend the privilege of bail to the accused of the petitioner.
But the main ground, the main submission on in that case also lordship, it was lordship
Was not
regarding-
made, I think.
so regarding only behind the corners. But also the lordship, I have already submitted that order lordship.
Yes,
Lordship
yes, I have
already
received.
passed lordship regarding case of when there is a case of prior to Congress sponsor arrestees lordship, so lordship it will not apply this. Because lordship is already in the because lordship, one more thing on
And
merit lordship.
anything
Otherwise, on merit lordship, 4 out of 6 witnesses lordship, 4 examined
out
and
of
that
8.
out of 8, 4 examined lordship, and that to the 4 examined on 11/4/25.
But the
So,
last
lordship, so it is 15 to 25.
Last witness.
Last witness.
So it is not updated also lordship.
So the last witness was
So lordship,
witnessed at 4 months back. So it cannot
we
be
do
said
not
that it
know
will be
whether
done
any
soon.
other witnesses is examined till down to or not lordship. So we do not know.
Let's not.
The record should call for if necessary.
In that case, lordship,
In
updated
that
record will
record.
be required. Lordship, if lordship is going to inclined to going to on the basis of the long incarceration on because lordship, out of 8, 4 witnesses examined till 15 to 25, 15 to 25, and thereafter lordship quantity is
But this
also
is not updated one.
and
To my
quantity is huge lordship,
To my knowledge, only
512
4
kg,
examined till date.
0.46 kg.
No,
500
4 was as per him, that the last
Yes.
witness was examined on 15/2.
15-2.
That
After
apart, do you
that,
have any instruction? What had happened?
I have taken instruction from the trial court's advocate, which who is conducting the case, and they have said that
No, 15/2 to 25 till date, whether any other witnesses were
they have
examined?
said no. They haven't.
No.
Only 4 witnesses are done.
in this case, lordship may call because already 6 months, 4 months have been passed. So lordship may kindly
No,
call
4
for
months
after
is a
the
long
lordship
month.
till then lordship.
Only 4 months is. It is not that only 4 months. It 4
No,
months
I
is a
was saying
long month.
only lordship. Already 4 months have passed lordship. So lordship, it
So,
may be there may be 1 or 2 witnesses maybe lordship examined lordship. So lordship may call for the other 2 witnesses. Up to the
No, again, I'm asking, do you have any instructions regarding the?
if my lord may give me some time, I will ask and I'll just.
Okay. Otherwise, we have to call for.
I'll fix it through. I will just.
No,
Oh,
fix that too. It's not there.
I'll just call it.
Just for 10-15 minutes, you can. लेकिन बाकी लिखी रखी सन.
Okay.
Yes, CD not received. It is a case of
Commercial quantity.
NDPS.
C25.
Since when you were in custody?
I was arrested on 5/1/2025.
5/1.
2025.
Acha.
Actually, in the meantime, most probably the charge sheet has been submitted. Then in that case, the LCR may be called for.
We do not have that information, Lordship. We do not know, Lordship, whether charge sheet has been filed or not. We do not have that information, Lordship, that moment.
No, but 5/1, this is 5th of January, you are. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 months already elapsed, I think, na?
Yes.
The LCR may be
LCR may be
Yes,
called for.
but, to my information, charge sheet has been received.
Okay.
Maybe call. Another thing that I would like to bring notice to this court in respect of the arrest memo, Lordship, because I have been apprehended in the month of January this year, whereas I have been served a arrest memo which does not relate to my case. Some other case number has been entered in the arrest memo, because in this case, particularly police station Delhi PS case number 2/25 is there, as per the FIR. Whereas the arrest memo dates back before 1 year, like 2/24. At the same time,
But the police case number is same.
no,
No, year is different, but the number.
yeah, 2/24 and
That
2/25.
may be some, I don't know, maybe clerical, may not be clerical also.
Maybe call for.
Hard MSS now, and now the learned counsel, sorry, Alboni. And the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Post of it is submitted by MS now that to her information, the charges has already been laid in the present case, and accordingly, she submitted that the LCM scan copy of the DCR may be called for. Considering the submission made by post of. However, Mr. Sharma submitted that he has no such instruction regarding submission of the charge sheet poster. Considering the submission made by MS Banik, let the scan copy of the TCR be called for. Registry will do the needful. It will be after vacation only. Let's want any date or after vacation?
Sure.
It was 22nd.
22nd? 22nd.
Okay.
Yes, do you have any instructions?
Yes, no witnesses were examined.
No
Okay. And on the after 5/2/25, the next date was 11/4/25. It is clear written that no witnesses have turned up today. And thereafter, it was on 24/6/25, but nothing is mentioned about witness. No.
The next date when? Next date is
Next date is on 8/7/25.
8/7.
Basically on reopening Lordship, immediately after reopening Lordship. In the
Okay, we'll pass the order. Okay. It will have to be. It will take it to chamber. Yes, okay, we'll pass it.
15,
15 is not here.
item number 15.
15 is not here. And an abuse on call for the petition. Scan copy of the TCR has already been received. Hard MS Mdeka, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Kyle, the learned standing counsel NCB. List the matter accordingly after vacation. Okay. Yes.
Item 16.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, have a time, have a look at page 19 for a once, man. Regular bill.
Page 19.
Page 19, man, 1 minute. Lordship got it, my lord?
He also NCB is there?
Yes.
Oh. Yes.
19, my lord. The lordship will see, my lord, there are two persons, my lord, Abu Syed and Ratneshwar Kumar, my lord. Below, my lord. Abu Syed has been considered by your lordship, my lord, bail, my lord. I am Ratneshwar Kumar, my lord. On the ground, my lord, lordship will turn to page 58 for a once.
Now you're for Ratnesh.
Ratnesh.
Page?
Page 58.
58.
58, annexure 4, my lord. This was the notice under section 50 CRPC. No grounds of arrest has been given to them. And the next page, my lord, page 59, my lord, your lordship's order, my lord, whereby your lordship had considered the bail application of, allowed the bail application of the number 1, my lord, Abu Syed Khan, my lord. Same.
So you are in custody since when?
My lord, I am in custody since, my lord,
7/3/20.
7/3/2020.
20?
22.
So what is the stage of the case at present?
6 witnesses examined, Lordship.
Out of?
8, Lordship.
Okay. So basically you have taken the ground of section 50 and long incarceration.
That order, my lord, only the name, if your lordship allows, my lord, only the name and name, page 59 onwards.
Yes, Decca.
Lordship, here is trial is going with Lordship. 6 witnesses have been examined, Lordship. Or last Lordship 1-3-25 PW6 was partly cross-examined, Lordship. His PW6 cross was not completed, Lordship. So Lordship.
When PW6 was when?
1-3-25, Lordship.
1-3.
Next date is Lordship 22-8-25, Lordship. So witnesses are coming, Lordship. And
Next date is
22-8-25, Lordship.
22-8-25.
So Lordship, witnesses are coming, Lordship. Only 4 witnesses are remaining, Lordship.
And the other case which your lordship, good. Other case which your lordship had allowed, my lord, there, my lord, only 5 witnesses were examined. So in my case, 1 added, my lord, 6.
And Lordship, contraband recovered from them, Lordship. And Lordship, he was arrested on 7-3-22, Lordship, before Pankaj Bansal case, Lordship.
But one thing has to be clarified, my lord, that Pankaj Bansal, my lord, everywhere, my lord, they says, my lord, the Pankaj Bansal cases, after that, my lord, case will be covered. But Pankaj Bansal case relates to TMLA, my lord. So in the TMLA Act, my lord, there is a form, my lord. It says arrest order, my lord. There, in the last line, it says, my lord, it should be informed. Then the honorable.
But the submission is that then from Pankaj Bansal only in regards to written communication of the grounds of arrest
No, my lord.
came in Pankaj Bansal.
With all respect.
That is the submission of the state.
My lord, my submission is that, my lord, with all respect, my lord, Pankaj Bansal's case relates to PMLA. In the PMLA, my lord.
There's a printed form.
Yes, my lord. There was it is to be informed. Then the apex court held, no, it cannot be informed. You have to give written. In addition to that arrest order, you have to give. So that is a difference. That is a PMLA case, and this is my lord NDPS. So NDPS case, my lord, section 51 says, section 51 of the NDPS Act says it will follow the CRPC. The CRPC, if you follow the CRPC, then 50-50A, and in the BNSS, my lord, 47 and 48. The law was laid down, my lord, when this constitution came, my lord, 26 January 1950, my lord. And my lord, interestingly, my lord, 1956 Allahabad, page 56, my lord, the division bench of the Allahabad High Court, my lord, has held, my lord, how the grounds of arrest to be communicated, my lord. And in fact, my lord, that judgment was followed by the apex court recently. Well, I am giving the latest judgment, my lord, Kashida Upendra Reddy, my lord, well, the apex court, my lord, for academic, my lord, paragraph 35 and 36, where the apex court has relied on judgment of the high court, my lord. It is very rare, my lord, but lordship may kindly go through it, my lord.
Para, you have multi
Paragraph 35 and 36, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship,
Yes.
he was caught red-handed, Lordship.
Yes.
And at the time of his arrest, Lordship, he accepted arrest memo and his signature was there, Lordship. I'm relying on judgment. This judgment may be considered, Lordship.
Okay. বাকি সৰু সৰু point কেইটা লিখি লৈছে। বেছি হ'লে আকৌ দি দিব পাৰো, চাই লওঁ। কেইটা আছে? এটা। হা? তিনিটা? কেনেকে? সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কেইটা আছে? দুটা। আর ইয়াতে এটা তিনটা। It's a দুটা প্রিন্টার। I thought only one left, three left.
CD is not receiving.
Okay.
Supplementary item number 21.
Supplementary মানে আপনার ইয়াতে আউটটা থেকে গেল। Oh, I see bill. It is a bill. Supplementary. Oh, 21, yes.
May I please order?
Please.
The regular bill application, the auto side NCV is not here.
Oh, no, no, she's coming.
The petitioner, he was arrested on 23/12/2023, 2023, my lord. I'm in custody for more than 1.5 years.
23, well,
2023. There are altogether 5 co-accused, and your lordship granted bail to one of the co-accused, my lord. Time of arrest, my lord, their grounds of arrest is not even
communicated.
same
Please.
complaint, same forwarding, my lord. That is the reason for which your lordship has granted bail, my lord. That's not co-accused, my lord.
Now, what is the position? What is the stage of the case at
Now,
present?
it's evidence is going on, my lord.
It is stage of evidence.
Yes, my lord.
How many witnesses till
I
now?
think also 3.
Yes, sir.
3 witnesses have been examined out
Yes. Out of 9.
out of
Out of 10, my lord.
out of 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are behind the bar more than 1 year.
1.5 years, my lord.
So basically, this in period of incarceration and grounds of arrest.
arrest, my lord.
These are the two grounds.
Yes, as well as Parity.
As well as parity.
Yes.
Okay.
Wonderful.
You are also here.
Your Honor, I'm getting delay, Your Honor, item number 15. Your Honor, actually, it was listed after taking the after 2 p.m. Your Honor. Therefore, the confusion, Your Honor, I'm not able to appear. Same case, Your Honor. Item number 15, Your Honor.
Same case, different accused.
Different accused, Your Honor.
Item number 15.
15.
Right, hold it. Order number 20. It was fixed at 2. Who said fixed at 2? Huh?
Lordship, actually, there is a confusion, Lordship. I'm getting an information that you call this, Lordship. Mention that will be the confusion, Lordship. I'm not able to appear. So,
We give a notice, in fact, that we are sitting on 11:45.
Lordship, this is confusion, Lordship. Actually, my same
Okay,
matter.
anyway,
Lordship.
from same matter.
Same matter, Lordship.
So your petitioner he was in custody since?
1 year, 5 months, 10 days, Lordship.
No, same date of arrest?
Same date, 23/4/2023, Lordship. Same date, Lordship. And Lordship, I have on submission, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, the main accused person, number is Babla Mia. He got a bail, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, 5 of the persons that are accused in this case, Lordship, they along in that same car, Lordship, they all arrested in the same period of time, Lordship. Babla Mia is the person, Lordship, who is taking the lead of this case, Lordship. He getting the bail from this another court. I have annexed an order, Lordship. Babla Mia Lordship. On number, page number Lordship. Is there? Lordship, in this case, Lordship, offense was taken, Lordship, on 23, 12/6/2024, Lordship. Out of the 10 witness was, Lordship, there in the case, Lordship, 3 witnesses. When we filed this case, Lordship, at that time, Lordship, only 1 witness was examined, Lordship. And in the earlier case of the Babla Mia, Lordship, only given the thing, bail, Lordship, having the thing is the delay in the trial, Lordship. And second thing is that, Lordship, there is a confusion in the memorandum of the arrest, Lordship. In that things, Lordship, this is not fully distinct, that Lordship, for what is the reason they were arrested, their Lordship. This is also reflected in that order, Lordship. It is the violation of the Article 21 and 21A, Lordship. This is also their Lordship. And the length of the detention, Lordship, there. I hear a thing is that, Lordship, no anybody, Lordship, they arrested separate, Lordship. They all along, Lordship. All persons are in a car, Lordship. This is Maruti Suzuki car, Lordship. Are they arrested in the toll gate, Lordship? And here the Babla Mia, who is leading the case, Lordship, he is also behind the bar. He gotten bail, Lordship, on 1 year, 4 months, like this. The length of detention, Lordship, we are also 1.5 months, we have more, Lordship. And the thing is that I'm the co-accused in this case, Lordship. It is reflected in the objection also there, Lordship, from the previous part, Lordship. The Babla Mia, having to take the lead, Lordship, he is the person who complains the same. But the main thing is that on a delaying in the trial, Lordship, only 3 witnesses examined till date, Lordship, and the length of detention, Lordship. These things, Lordship, Honorable Court granted the bail of the Babla Mia also there, Lordship. This is my submission, Lordship.
Yes.
Your final complaint filed on 12/6/24, Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship then
12/6.
12/6/24.
and charges frame on 27/9/24.
27/9/24.
Till now, Lordship, 3 witnesses have been examined, and Lordship, last witness was examined on 9/1/25, Lordship. No, Lordship, it is
10/6, on 10/6.
10/6/25, Lordship. 10/6/25.
That's a bit, I mean, PW3.
That day, Lordship, 2 witnesses were examined, PW2 and PW3, Lordship. So, Lordship, witnesses were coming, Lordship. So, Lordship, regarding role, Lordship, contraband recovered from him. Both the petitioner were there inside the car, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, Babla Mia got bail on because Lordship, section 50 not compliant. Regarding this, Lordship, I'm placing 2 judgment, Lordship may consider.
I've annexed this order, Lordship.
Ashif, you have it.
That's it. Yeah, number 2.
আপনি লিখে রেখেছেন ওখানে লিখে রেখেছেন both the matters 15 and 15 and 21. 15 and 21, same order, separately labeled. Arrested on 23/12/2023, more than 1.5 year. 1 co-accused has already granted bail. Grounds of arrest not communicated. Out of 10 witnesses, 3 already examined. Ground of parity is 1 there. All persons were arrested together from a car. Episode state or submission of say the final complaint was filed on 12/6/2024. Charge was framed on 27/9/2024. Until date, 3 witnesses have already been examined. Last witness examined on 10/6/2025. Proceeding is going on good pace. Recovery is from the conscious person of the accused petitioner. Sir, বাকি এতে রিলাই করেছে those two I'll give you in the chamber. এখানে খালি লিখে রাখুন, ঠিক আছে? Okay, I'll pass it.
Obliged.
দি দিব এইটো তেখেতৰ তাত যাম মই অলপমান সৰু ডিচিশ্যনটা দি দিম অলপ চেম্বাৰ both 15 and 21 15 টো আগতে কোনে লৈছিল
CD has not been
intimation টো দি দিব
CD has not been received.
I fail to understand the last 2-3 occasions the KJ was there, Lord. Now, when the matter was called for, the KJ is not there, Lord. Last 2-3, the matter was not reached in the honorable court, Lord. I have been informed that the KJ was there, Lord.
case diary was there
Yes, Lord. Last 2-3 occasions the KJ was there, Lord. Now,
that from where from you're saying that
no,
case diary
the
was-
matter was listed last for 2-3 days, Lord. The matter was not
3
listed
days.
before. Yes, Lord. On 17, Lord, matter was listed on the honorable coordinate bench of this honorable court of PJ Soikia court, Lord. The KJ was there, Lord. And last, Lord, the matter was there after. Yesterday before also the matter was listed, Lord. The KJ was there, Lord.
now, how can I say now
There is no order to retain the CD, Lordship. The case is under investigation, commercial quantity, Lordship. Obviously, the CD will be taken back, Lordship. It is under investigation, Lordship. There is no order to retain the CD, Lordship.
Lord, the prime accused on this case has already been granted bail by the honorable court, Lordship. On the ground that, Lord, the IO has not completed the 48 BNF notice, Lordship.
we need the without case diary or case record
Case diary, Lordship.
still under investigation
It's still on investigation, Lordship. 92
then so we
retired.
don't have any alternative we have to call for the case diary why it is not received it has already been taken back
Yes, it has been taken back because it is under investigation, Lordship. Case is still under investigation.
No, when
so
the case-
your petitioner is in custody since when
92 days, Lordship. And the prime accused has already
it's a
granted
commercial only
commercial, Lordship. But when the case diary was there, Lordship, the case was pending before this honorable court, Lordship. They have to
but I cannot say at this stage
Yes, Lordship.
whether it was retained or not because
retained.
in the last occasion
Last occasion,
there is no order of any retained
that is true, Lordship. The order is not there, but
that is why most probably it was returned back that I cannot say at this stage. Okay, heard Mr. T. Chutia, the learned counsel for the petitioner. I also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Post up. It is submitted by Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, that CD not received. In that context, Mr. Chutia, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that on earlier occasions the CD was available before this court and the case was accordingly fixed today, but there is no there is no reason to return back the case diary. Mr. Sharma submitted that as the case is still under investigation stage, and there was no order for retaining the case diary, the IO has taken back the case record. However, he submitted, he will take all endeavor to call for the case diary on or before the next date of listing. So immediately on 15, it can be listed. 14, we are not listing it on 14th because 14 may not be possible.
on 15,
15, okay. But
And-
you
and-
try, I have already noted down the try to, will make all endeavors to call for the case diary.
Lordship.
Because he is in custody and moreover, his submission is that one of the co-accused has already been
Lordship.
granted.
My instruction is that, Lordship, they have never been served, Lordship, the 48 notice, Lordship. And the co-accused, Lordship, has granted bail by this honorable court, though he has been given the notice of the 48 notice, Lordship, but they have not mentioned the ground of arrest, and that ground, Lordship has granted bail, Lordship. In my case, Lordship, in particular petitioner's, Lordship, then the 48 notice never been issued, Lordship.
Never issued also.
Never issued, Lordship. Then that specific instruction may be taken from the IO whether they have served or not the 48
Yes,
notice.
that instruction also you can take because if the seat comes, then it may be reviewed. Okay. Then we are listing it on immediately on 15.
Then maybe.
Yes, I have already recorded it. 57.
Oblige, Lordship.
Well, hearing item 20.
20 also, Lordship, CD has not been received.
It will to us. 22. 15-7. Bail hearing,
CD has not-
item number
20.
20. Are you on interim here?
No, lordship,
You are not on interim.
no.
CD, you have not received this case diary. It was the case earlier rejected or what? Achha. In that case, too, without perusal of the case diary, it may not be possible. You are Miss?
S.A. Khalifa,
Pardon?
S.A. Khalifa.
Heard MS S.A. Khalifa, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Sharma. The CD is not available. In view of this, let a reminder be issued to IO to furnish the case diary on or before the next date of listing. And list accordingly when it can be.
17, 18?
17, 18, 7, 18, 7. List on 18, 7. You come to my chamber and give 2 dictations. More 15 number or 21 number to chamber. Okay. Then.
Lordship.
Mm-hmm.